Hello, this is your introduction to how to manipulate your Google Classroom. You can see after you log in with your own credentials that you will see your different class periods here. When you highlight a title, it will underline and then it'll become something that you can click on. So when you click on it, you're going to go into that classroom. So this is second period. You can see at the top of your that you have 3 tabs. Stream, which is just your main page that shows all of your assignments that have been posted by your teacher. When you go to classwork, then you will see the classwork and the assignments that have been posted by your teacher, the due date or the date that it was posted, no due date for this, no due date for this. And when you go into one, like your bell ringer, which you will be using every day in class, everyone gets their own copy. Each student will get a copy. So this is yours to edit. And when you click on it, it should pull up your Google document. Listed is the title and the dates that you will be using this page. So the dates are listed on the left-hand side, and you will be asked to put the prompt. The prompt will be written on the board. So you copy the prompt or the question and then write your answer. When you're finished, everything saves automatically. So you just close it. If you come up to the browser, you'll see that it's up here. This is the date. This is the title. You just click the X. That goes away, and you're back into your classwork tab. So when you click off of it onto something else, it goes away. When you want to go back to your main page, it's the stream. So the stream has everything on it. Any kind of posts from me or another student will be here. And your classwork, things that are due to me that you must complete, will be in the classwork tab. Anything that's coming due soon will be in this upcoming box. I hope that will clear up some of your questions and help you manage your Google Classroom.